with 2014 Roadster 3.7, spotlights, mesh grille, overriders, metallic paint, lovely deep metallic green, stainless wire wheels, extra wing treads, magnolia leather, embroidered headrests, cross member covers, leather detail pack, door check straps, walnut dashboard, push button start, Moto-lita steering wheel, chrome interior mirror. As the normal Mohair package in green Mohair, luggage rack with sidescreen storage. It's a car that we've previously sold before. Also has a foot locker that you can see just down in the footwell there. Very pretty Roadster with the 6-speed gearbox and with the wider gear, the narrower gearbox tunnel to give you a wider footwell. Available for Aluminium sports cars.